Okay, since my mount fell apart and cut off the video on my phone, I'm having to do this in 2 parts. I don't know if I have the capability on my phone of editing. But anyway, this will be very brief. I just do 100 simple sit-ups, which is not as simple as it sounds. I started off with 15, 20, 25, and gradually worked my way up to 100. And what I did, but I wanted to do 100 repetitions of exercises. So on the floor exercises, I added some leg lifts, which I'll show you in a minute, to the floor exercises. I now have this twin bed set up so that I can do it on the bed. But anyway, these are not strenuous sit-ups at all. And since I have limited space, I just put my arms behind me and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I'm able to get, to do 100 of those. And what I used to do to fill out the other 100, the other 50 or 70 repetitions, I would do leg lifts and usually hang on to the bed or the bedspread and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I would alternate doing 10 each of those and then doing 10 each of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until I reached 100. So that's basically it. However, I have added another one, and I wonder if I can do this one from this setup. Actually, let me try. Let me turn the camera. I'm gonna have to reset it here. In this direction. I have to raise it here. Okay. I'm going to, here it is, here it is. I've been using my standing mirror because it's turned out to be just the right height for this. So I do these leg lifts. 1, wow, ow, I hit the bed. Here we go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and I do 100 of those. So that's it, YouTube. Still working on the belly. Everything else, I've lost weight everywhere else, mostly here. And that's my morning exercise routine. And you can do it too, even at the age of 70 minus 1. So the body is not perfect, but in many ways it's better than it was when I was 30, 35, 40. And then I really started putting on the weight in later years. So last count I was down from, I hate to say it, over 200 pounds. And now I'm in the 170s, and I'm hoping to get down lower than that. and get some definition, get the waist down and get some shape back, you know. But I'm getting there. I'm getting there. So that is the state of the body in May of 2017 for the Wheeze. Thank you, YouTube. And goodbye for now.